Hey guys, Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. And today I'm going to show you this 2015 Ram 2500 Laramie, so let's take a look. So up at the front here, you are going to have your color match bumpers. This one does have tow hooks as well as fog lights. And then under the hood, you're going to have your 6.4 liter HEMI. Along the side, you do have 20-inch rims, you have power folding tow mirrors, you have proximity entry on color matched door handles, and now we're going to go check out the back. Around the back here, you do have your backup camera as well as some backup sensors. You have your 4 and 7 pin wiring, a hitch receiver, as well as a spray-in bed liner. We're going to go check out the front. Up here in the front, you do have leather seats. They are heated and cooled, as well as you do have your heated steering wheel. You have 2 center consoles here, as well as 2 glove boxes up at the front here. You have an 8.4-inch touchscreen. It does have nav. You can also control your heated seat and your heated wheel. You do have your power folding tow mirrors that do flip in with just the easy push of a button. You have your hands-free controls on the left side of your steering wheel, as well as your cruise control on the right. This one does have a sunroof, and now we're gonna go check out the back. In the back, you do have heated rears, as well as you have a 12-volt plug-in up here. You have some cup holders right here, as well as a cup holder that folds down in the middle. Your seats do flip up, and you have this flat piece that's great for storage. And then if you lift up your floor mats, you also have some storage boxes underneath. But if you'd like to make this truck yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing. And if you're interested in this vehicle or any others on our lot, you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.